Click on the link below to get price. The LG Gram Pro 17 Laptop 2025 is an impressive blend of power and portability, making it an excellent choice for both creative professionals and casual users. Weighing just under 3 pounds, it challenges the notion that larger laptops must be heavy. The sleek design is complemented by a stunning 17-inch display, boasting a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. The image quality is exceptional, delivering vivid colors and sharp details that are perfect for photo editing and content consumption. At the heart of the LG Gram Pro 17 is the Intel Core processor, which provides robust performance for multitasking and demanding applications. Whether you're running multiple software programs or gaming, the laptop handles it all seamlessly. The addition of the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 graphics card further enhances its capabilities, making it suitable for light gaming and graphic-intensive tasks like 3D rendering and video editing. The synergy between the CPU and GPU allows users to enjoy a responsive experience, even with demanding workloads. Battery life is another standout feature. The LG Gram Pro 17 can last up to 19 hours on a single charge, making it perfect for users who are on the go. This longevity, combined with fast charging technology, means you can work or enjoy media without constantly worrying about finding an outlet. The keyboard is comfortable and well-spaced, providing a satisfying typing experience that is essential for long work sessions. The touchpad is large and responsive, and the inclusion of a fingerprint reader adds an extra layer of security. Connectivity options are generous, with multiple USB ports, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and a headphone jack, ensuring compatibility with a range of peripherals. Overall, the LG Gram Pro 17 Laptop 2025 excels in delivering a powerful, lightweight solution that meets the needs of modern users, making it a worthwhile investment for those in need of performance without compromising portability.